If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not connecting properly to your Realme 14T, then let me show you what you can do in order to try to solve these issues. So first of all, we want to open settings and, well, obviously we want to check if airplane mode is not enabled. Sometimes we turn it on by accident, so just double check and make sure that it is not enabled. Of course, after that, we want to go to Bluetooth, and what you can do first is simply turn off and turn on your Bluetooth on your phone. Sometimes this little simple step allows you to solve some issues. And there we go. Besides that, you can also just turn off your Bluetooth device, turn off the device as well, and then turn on Bluetooth and turn on your device in order to try to connect again. Now that is of course if you had your Bluetooth device connected before. So if you didn't connect your Bluetooth device to your Realme 14T yet, and you cannot do this right now, then besides that, you can try to factory reset your Bluetooth device. Sometimes our Bluetooth device can be connected to another device, so if you cannot put it into the pairing mode, or the pairing mode doesn't want to work for some reason, then you can perform factory reset. Unfortunately, there is no universal way that allows you to factory reset your Bluetooth device, so you will have to check your user manual of the Bluetooth device in order to check how to do this. Besides that, you can also try to forget your Bluetooth device, that is if you had a connection before. More precisely, we can tap on this eye icon and choose to unpair, and after that you can try to pair again. So you can turn the device back on, put it into the pairing mode, and after that you might be able to connect your device. So let's see. And remember that after a short while you can also refresh the list of available devices. So if you cannot detect your Bluetooth device over here on this list, just wait for the refresh option to appear, and then you can tap on it in order to try to refresh the list, and now you might be able to find your Bluetooth device over here. However, if none of this helps, what you can also do is go back to the settings, and then over here we're gonna scroll all the way down and choose System and Update. After that, go to Backup and Reset, choose Reset Phone, and then you want to reset network and Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, these things cannot be separated, so with this option you will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings. Press Reset, wait for it to be done, and after that you should be able to go back to your Bluetooth settings. There we go. So now we're gonna go back to the Bluetooth settings, and we want to try to pair the device again. So turn on Bluetooth, turn on your device, and now you should be able to pair your device pretty easily. And that's about it. This is pretty much everything that we can do in order to fix issues with the Bluetooth device not connecting to Realme 14T. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in my next videos. Bye!